Hi students, problem number 8. A force of 12 Newton is required to be applied on a block A of mass 4 kg to slip on another block B of mass 5 kg. Find the maximum horizontal force F that has to be applied on B so that A and B move together. Okay students, the clue is given that 12 Newton of force is exerted on the mass, that is 4 kg. What for? It is required to apply for what means to slip on another block B. So the condition for slipping, see here, for slipping of A on the block B, this force applied must be equal to the maximum value of the static friction. That is 12 Newton must be equal to mu, the coefficient of friction, into mass of the block A into G. Understand? So 12 Newton is equal to mu into mass of the block is 4 into G is 10. Therefore, mu is now equal to 12 divided by 40. So 4 3s are 12, 4 10s are 40. Therefore, mu must be equal to what? Mu must be equal to 0.3. So we have found the coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.3. So slipping is the stage just before sliding. So we have defined the static frictional force is what? It is the force up to which the body or beyond which the body will slide or up to which the body will be at rest. So the body is now just about to move, is it not? So the static frictional force must be equal to the applied force exactly. So from this we have got the coefficient of friction is what? 0.3. Therefore, what can be the maximum acceleration? Therefore, maximum acceleration, I will write here, therefore, the maximum acceleration of the block of 4 kg must be equal to what? Mu into G. So, this is equal to 0.3 into 10. Therefore, the acceleration of the block, maximum value of the acceleration of the block must be equal to what? 3 meter per second square. Okay, so with this acceleration, if the block A is moving means then what should be the maximum force so that A and B will be moving together? So if A and B are moving together with the same acceleration means what should be the force? It has to be exerted. So F is the force that has to be exerted on the block B, so that now A and B should move together with an acceleration of 3 meter per second square. So F must be equal to the total mass of the two blocks is 4 plus 5 into A maximum. Okay, so this must be equal to 9 kg into 3 meter per second square. So this must be equal to 27 Newton. So the maximum horizontal, okay, this is the maximum horizontal force is found to be equal to 27 Newton. Very simple numerical problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.